Hi guys, so you guys remember that I bought this blush that is 40 bucks Canadian? This is kind of crazy, but it is the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow, which you guys know, it has been going around before all around the internet, and I had to buy it out myself to try it out to see if it was actually worth the hype. The thing that I love about this blush is that I don't really have a blush that color in my collection, so it was perfect because, you know, buying a blush that I already kind of have the color is kind of, another one, you know, even though blush is one of my favorite steps in my whole makeup routine. Here it is. The packaging is different than what I've imagined. It is also smaller than I thought, and in my hands, I don't know if you guys had this reaction when you first bought it, but for $40, I thought it would be at least like this big, you know, but it's not. It's not. So at first I thought this was the color and I was like, oh my god, it doesn't look like the real color of the blush that I've seen. But no, girl, you have to open it up and the color is much brighter in the packaging. So I love the packaging so far. You know, it's a beautiful little Dior moment, 3D type of moment right here. And then you have the blush here with the prints, which looks so beautiful. And then you have a big mirror in there, which I feel like I can't really see anything in it. I don't know if it's me. It's kind of like a weird mirror. I can't really see myself properly in it. I don't know if it's foggy, but I can't see myself in it for some reason. I don't know. So the mirror is nah, and I wish it was a little bit better than that for $40. But yeah, so I've been trying it out for a while, the blush on my skin, putting the brush in there. And what I like is that the stamps, the Dior logos, is not disappearing at the first time that you're using it. I hate when that happens because you're like, oh my god, why? And the color still looks very beautiful, it doesn't look dirty. And when you apply it for the first time, you dip it in a couple times with your brush. And I feel like 2 times in there is enough to start. It does blend very, very well in the skin. As you can see, like you can see on my skin how now it looks. It doesn't look too weird. You know, this is a more of a blue toned type of blush, very, very bright pink. And it blends well with my yellow tone foundation. So it does change the color a little bit to make it match more, and it doesn't look weird in any way. So even though you have a more yellow foundation, it's gonna look beautiful on top of it. And obviously this blush, you can mix it with another blush so it looks absolutely stunning to make it more to your skin tone. So I just look at the price, and you guys, I was so off the rack. I said $40, it is $48 Canadian for this. Almost $50 for 4.6 grams of product. You better last me forever, girl, because oof, this is expensive. I did buy it with the 20% off, but still, it's really expensive. And it says it's a secret weapon to create the appearance of naturally rosy cheeks for a fresh, glowy effect, which it's true. It looks very natural. It looks like it blends in beautifully with other powders on my skin. So they're also saying that it is infused with color reviver technology, which I don't know what this is. You know, they like to put fancy words sometimes for a product, and it's just pigment. So this innovative blush reacts to the skin's moisture level upon application to deliver a customized rosy effect. The result is a natural, instant, and healthy, glowy glow that lasts all day long. Like I said, it does change with, you know, the foundation. It does change with the undertone that you have, but this is just basic color theory, right? I haven't seen it change that much, I guess, with my skin's moisture. I've been putting it on top of foundation, so I don't know if it does changes something. You know, like it looks almost like a chalk-like color. It's funny because it is so blue on my fingers, but then look at my cheeks. It's way darker on my cheeks. So they say that it's activated. I feel like it's true, like, and then it almost disappeared on my hand. That's kind of funny. But then look at my finger. When it goes on your skin, it becomes much, much darker. Like when it actually blends into the skin. Love, love, love this color. Like a bubblegum kind of pink, very pretty, very like, ooh, like feminine, beautiful, rosy blush. It's just really, really pretty. It feels very natural. At first when you apply it though, it is really in your face. Really in your face, and then you're like, oh my god, this looks almost like a patch of product. But then when you try to blend it in and then you let the foundation and the rest mix with everything else, you know, like the natural oils of your skin coming through, then it goes so beautiful on your skin. You have to let it like sit for a couple minutes for it to have the full effect on your skin. So overall, it's a powder. I've been trying it out a couple times and I do really love the blush. I love it so much that I want to get the other one. But it's $48, you guys. This is way too crazy. But I really want to get the orangey coral one. And the reason for that is I want to be able to create my own blush. And usually these two colors are used in makeup to create your own unique blush. So this one is very much of a blue tone blush and the other one is more of like an orangey yellow tone blush. And mixing both of these is really gonna give you, you know, the most perfect glow that you want on your skin. And that's what I was looking for, you know. But so far, just this one, I didn't put any cream blush, anything under, and it looks so stunning. And as you can see, it's not too crazy, you know, it blends very well with the rest. I put a little bit highlighter, I put, you know, cream, liquid contour right under, I put some blush right under, and it just blends with everything else very, very beautifully. So it just, it looks super natural. I did put it only there, you know, I didn't try it out as an eyeshadow yet, but so far as a blush, it looks very beautiful. I recommend it, but it is a splurge, you guys. Like if you have like regular blushes that you like don't go out and buy this one because this is expensive. And I'm like, ooh, Dior. Like I'm crazy, okay? Spending $48 on a blush, but I'm definitely gonna go and buy the other one, probably. So anyways, do I recommend this product? Of course, 100%. If you want to spend that type of money on a blush and that you're gonna use it, you're gonna cherish it, I would recommend you going in the store, you know, touching the formula on your hands, you know, before buying it because it's expensive. Tell me down below if you tried this blush before. I truly like it. I'm going to be using it on a day-to-day basis. And if you like the video, make sure to like, comment down below again, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for some content every single week on beauty, lifestyle reviews, and some other content. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.